Welcome to our comprehensive guide on GMP audits, your essential resource for understanding FDA, EMA, Health Canada, and global regulatory requirements. This guide is brought to you by GxP Cellators Consultants Ltd, experts in pharmaceutical, regulatory compliance, and quality assurance. GMP audits are crucial in the pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and medical device industries. They ensure product quality, patient safety, and regulatory compliance. Whether you're a startup or an established manufacturer, understanding GMP audits is mandatory. Navigating the various regulatory bodies can be challenging, but this guide covers everything you need to know. GMP audits are systematic, independent examinations of manufacturing facilities, processes, and documentation. They verify compliance with good manufacturing practice regulations, ensuring quality and safety in production. The core goals of a GMP audit include ensuring consistent product quality, minimizing patient safety risks, and maintaining data integrity. While GMP principles are harmonized through IC guidelines, each regulatory body has its own framework and enforcement mechanisms. In the United States, the FDA enforces CGMP through its Office of Regulatory Affairs. The regulations are detailed in 21 CFR Parts 210 and 211, ensuring that manufacturing practices meet high standards of quality and safety. The FDA's six-system inspection model covers quality systems, facilities and equipment, materials, production, packaging and labeling, and laboratory control. This comprehensive approach ensures thorough coverage of all manufacturing operations. FDA audits can be pre-approval, routine surveillance, for cause, or post-approval inspections. Each type serves a specific purpose, from verifying manufacturing capabilities to ensuring ongoing compliance. The FDA audit process involves several steps, from arrival and opening meetings to walkthroughs and reviews. Observations are documented in the Establishment Inspection Report, ensuring compliance with regulations. The European Medicines Agency coordinates GMP inspections through national competent authorities. The legal basis is UDRA Lex Volume 4, which outlines the EU GMP guidelines. EMA audits include pre-authorization, routine surveillance, and triggered inspections. Key features include mandatory applications, GMP certificates, and mutual recognition agreements. Remote audits have become more common post-COVID. The EMA audit process includes inspection announcements, document submissions, on-site inspections, draft reports, CAPA responses, and the issuance of final GMP certificates. Health Canada enforces GMP under the Food and Drugs Act and regulations. Their inspection guide, GWA 0001, outlines the Good Manufacturing Practices Guidelines. Health Canada's key points include site licensing, inspection approaches, and risk-based frequency. Audit focus areas cover quality management, sanitation, change control, and recall procedures. Global regulatory bodies like WHO, TGA, and others have distinct GMP references and key distinctions. Most regulators are members of PIC/S, harmonizing GMP inspection procedures worldwide. The Pharmaceutical Inspection County Operation Scheme, PIC/S, harmonizes GMP inspection standards globally, promoting mutual recognition and making pharmaceutical trade safer and more efficient. GMP auditing can be categorized by relationship, including internal, second-party, and third-party audits. Each type serves different purposes in ensuring compliance and objectivity. GMP audits can also be categorized by scope, including full audits, targeted audits, and remote audits. Each type addresses different areas of risk and compliance. GMP audits by product type include API audits, drug product audits, excipient audits, and packaging audits. Each focuses on specific aspects of manufacturing and compliance. API audits are among the most technically demanding, focusing on synthesis, purification, and regulatory expectations. They ensure the stability and integrity of drug substances. Drug product audits cover the full spectrum of finished dosage forms, from blending to final packaging. They ensure uniformity, labeling accuracy, and compliance with critical process parameters. Discover the various specialized GMP audit types that cater to different needs. Sponsor audits are essential for supplier qualification, while gap assessment audits help identify deviations before regulatory inspections. Remote or virtual GMP audits are accepted by major regulatory bodies and cover a wide range of manufacturing facilities. GxP Cellators Consultants Ltd offers comprehensive GMP auditing services for regulatory agencies worldwide. Our services are recognized by major authorities like the FDA, EU GMP, Health Canada, WHO PQ, TGA, and Anvisa, ensuring compliance across the globe. Our complete GMP audit service menu includes a variety of services such as pre-gap assessments, mock audits, and supplier audits. Each audit provides a detailed report with findings, risk ranking, and a prioritized CAPA plan, ensuring thorough compliance and readiness. GxP Cellators offers an end-to-end GMP audit partnership, guiding you from preparation to regulatory closure. Our strategic approach ensures nothing is left to chance, providing comprehensive support at every phase of the audit process. Phase 1 focuses on pre-audit preparation, including documentation review, gap assessment, and employee training. This phase ensures your team is ready for the audit, with a clear understanding of compliance gaps and necessary improvements. In Phase 2, audits are conducted by experienced regulatory auditors. Our unique approach includes real-time feedback and non-conformance classification, ensuring critical issues are addressed promptly and effectively. Phase 3 involves post-audit reporting and CAPA. We deliver detailed audit reports within 5-7 business days, conduct root cause analysis, and develop actionable CAPA plans to ensure continuous improvement and compliance. Phase 4 provides follow-up and regulatory support, including mock re-audits and ongoing compliance monitoring. Our expert assistance ensures your organization remains inspection-ready and compliant with all regulatory requirements. Choosing GxP Cellators means benefiting from global regulatory expertise, end-to-end support, and flexible delivery options. Our confidential and independent services ensure fast turnaround times, keeping your compliance program on schedule. Whether you need a pre-FDA gap assessment or a full-service GMP audit, GxP Cellators Consultants Ltd is your trusted partner. Let us help you turn GMP compliance into a competitive advantage. Contact us today to get started.